Hello, I am Uday Joshi, Vice President of Operations and Site Head at the Turbhe facility, Piramal's dedicated peptide development and manufacturing site. For more than 3 decades, I have worked across the pharmaceutical, API and CDMO industries in leadership roles, spanning process development, scale-up, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, and operational excellence. The Turbhe facility is Piramal's pure-play peptide manufacturing site and an important part of our global development and manufacturing network. Our team supports peptide programs from early development through commercialization, helping customers accelerate timelines while upholding the highest standard of quality, safety, and compliance. This commitment enables Turbhe to consistently meet the rigorous standard of regulatory agencies worldwide, including the US FDA, EDQM, IFA, and KFDA. The site has successfully launched multiple commercial generic peptide products and continue to expand its capabilities to support both generic and CDMO opportunities. What differentiates us? Our combination of scientific expertise, manufacturing excellence, and a strong customer-focused culture. We work closely with customers to solve complex technical challenges and deliver reliable execution at every stage of the product lifecycle. While Turbhe is focused on peptides, Piramal's broader network provides customers access to extensive development and manufacturing expertise across APIs, intermediates, and specialty drug substances. This integrated approach enables us to support programs from early development through commercial supply, providing flexibility as customer requirements evolve. Throughout my career, I have had the opportunity to work with leading pharmaceutical organizations including MKO Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Ipca Laboratories, and Curia, formerly AMRI. I have partnered with many global innovator and pharmaceutical companies supporting development, scale-up, technology transfer, commercialization, and operational integration initiatives across multiple manufacturing sites. One of the most rewarding aspects of my career has been helping establish and scale world-class manufacturing operations while building high-performing teams focused on safety, quality, and customer success. In my role, I focus on fostering a culture where operational excellence, innovation, and patient centricity guide every decisions we make. We recognize that behind every project is a patient waiting for treatment, and that responsibility drives our commitment to quality, reliability, and continuous improvement. Our teams are committed to transparent communication, strong technical collaboration, and delivering solutions that help customers bring important therapies to market. With extensive experience in process engineering, development, scale-up, technology transfer, and commercial manufacturing, I am proud of what our teams continue to accomplish at Turbhe and across Piramal Pharma Solutions. If you are looking for a trusted development and manufacturing partner for your peptide or drug substance programs, we welcome the opportunity to collaborate with you. Together, we can accelerate innovation and help improve patients' lives around the world. Thank you, and I look forward to connecting with you.